What connects a school principal, a hospital administrator, a cricket captain, and an airport manager? They're all managing people, processes, outcomes, but in completely different settings. So, what gives management its power to adapt across such diverse roles? In this video, we'll unpack the key characteristics of management, the traits that make it universal, flexible, and essential in every organization, big or small. Let's start with the first trait: management is always goal-oriented. Whether it's hitting a sales target, launching a relief effort, or topping your class, every organization, every team, every individual works with a purpose. And it's management that channels all that energy in the right direction. Because without a clear goal, there's no direction, only motion. Now here's something remarkable: management is all-pervasive. You'll find it in schools, startups, non-profits, and even government offices. The roles may change. The tools may vary. But the need to organize people, plans, and performance? That's universal, and that's management at work. Here's where management starts to flex its range: it's multidimensional. It works across three core areas: work, the tasks we do, building, selling, teaching. People, the teams that do it, motivated, organized, and led. Operations, the systems behind the scenes, logistics, tech, coordination. Management doesn't focus on just one, it connects all three seamlessly. It works with the work, through people, and around operations. Is management a one-time task? Far from it. It's a continuous process. Decisions, actions, and adjustments happen every single day. From setting goals in the morning to reviewing outcomes by evening, management moves in a steady loop. It's never static, always adapting, always in motion. Management is never a solo act, it's a true group activity. Whether it's a sports team, a film crew, or a business unit, success depends on teamwork. Sure, individuals may have personal goals, salary, growth, recognition, but it's management that aligns all those efforts toward one common purpose: the organization's goal. Now here's the real game changer: management is a dynamic function. It doesn't follow a one-size-fits-all rule. It shifts, adapts, evolves. Just look at McDonald's, globally known, yet it customizes its menu in India. No beef, more spice. That's dynamic management in action, responding to culture, market, and need. And finally, management is an intangible force. You can't touch it. You can't see it. But its impact, you feel it. In a well-managed organization, tasks flow, teams stay motivated, and challenges are handled with ease. That's the quiet power of good management, invisible but unmistakable. Let's wrap up with the 7 key characteristics of management, the traits that make it so effective and universal. It's goal-oriented, always focused on results. All-pervasive, needed in every kind of organization. Multidimensional, managing work, people, and operations. A continuous process, it never stops. A group activity, success through teamwork. A dynamic function, always adapting to change, and an intangible force, felt even if unseen. Together, these qualities give management its unique power and wide reach.